Hey, hello guys. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can get free Higgsfield credits. As you can here see, I have a lot of free credits gained here. So let's start the video. So to gain free credits, you have to first go to Twitter and then you have to create an account if you don't have one. Here you have to search Higgsfield. This is their official page. As you can see, last 8 hours of unlimited click motion for a month, and here you can see for 9 hours retweet and reply get 220 credits in DM. So what you have to do, you have to like, you have to reshare, and then you have to put a commit in here. I will simply put anything and then reply, and within 24 hours you will get a DM like this. Here you can see, if I go to the chat section and it is connecting, and here you can see they send me this code, and if I copy this code here, if you go to the Higgsfield for the first time, you have to go here in the profile section, and here you have to click on the credits tab, and then here you will get a option promo code, and I will post the code here and then press on claim, and here you can see 220 credits I have gained in free. If you don't receive the DM, then you have to do this setting. You have to go to the more section, and here you have to go to settings and privacy, and here you will see an interface like this. You have to scroll down until you see privacy and safety. Here you have to go to the chat section, and here you will see option no message requests from. Probably you have selected this one, no one, so here you have to put the tick on everyone, and then here you go. In 24 hours you will receive a code from Higgsfield. Enjoy.